Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
And yes, you can refinish engineered hardwood. The number of times you can refinish it depends on how thick its top veneer is. But you should be able to refinish it at least once. If the top layer is at least 3 mm thick, then you can sand it down and refinish it in the same manner as solid hardwood. 26 October 2017.
Let's help you make your mark.
Best cleaner for engineered hardwood floors. 18 inches professional microfiber mop, stainless steel handle. Bona hardwood floor cleaner refill. Pledge gentle wood floor cleaner, lemon. Black diamond stoneworks wood and laminate floor cleaner. Bona hardwood floor premium spray mop. Dyson V6 absolute cordless stick vacuum cleaner. Rubbermaid reveals spray mop floor cleaning kit. The 27th of December 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
Do not clean your floors with Murphy's oil soap, Mop and Glow, Orange Glow, Swiffer wet mop. Furniture polish such as Pledge, vinegar, ammonia, or any pine cleaners. All of these cleaners, over time, will dull and damage the finish. 24 September 2014.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.